everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am so exhausted and tired right now, and I don't want to put on a full face, so I'm going to show you guys how I glam up in 5 minutes. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Mercier, not translucent, see my brain's not like all there, with my Mercier Radiant Primer. If I had a BB cream, I would totally use that for this 5-minute makeup look, but I don't, so I'm going to use my lighter weight foundation, and this is the Peach Perfect Foundation in the color Warm Nude. You can also do powder if you're not a fan of, liquid, but I really do like this for an everyday look, so, and it's just fast to blend out. So next up, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am just going to dab just a little bit of concealer on my under eye circles. And then now I'm just going to quickly set that with my L'Oreal powder. And then with this small powder brush, I'm just going to dust that off. And then now, just to add some color and dimension to my face, I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer. When I'm on the go, I don't sculpt it, I quickly just kind of dust it over top. So that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. Get your forehead. And then bring it to the other side. And then same thing with blush, I'm just going to quickly dust it on top. And I am using my Pixi Glow Blush. And then for my brows, I am just going to quickly brush them out with the spoolie. And it's really easy to fill in brows when your brows are nicely trimmed and tweezed and all that. So that's what I did, and it makes getting ready so much easier. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia powder in the color Ebony, and I'm just going to follow the shape of my eyebrows. And then now I'm just going to brush out. They aren't completely even, but when I'm trying to get ready in 5 minutes, I can care less. So I'm just going to brush it out. And then top it off with some Gimme Brow just to set it in place. And then for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and tightline with this Pixi brown eyeliner in the color Rose Glow. Tightlining is so easy to do, and you don't have to worry about it looking perfect or having like the perfect wing to it. It's literally just pretty much marking the under part of your eye, and nobody can tell if it's messy. And then to finish up my eyes, I am going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and then apply on some mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be applying is called Big T's by Buxom. So for my lips, I am going to be using this Tarte lipstick. It's like a gloss and a lipstick combined. There's really no color to it, and I absolutely love lipsticks that barely show. I'm not a huge lip person, but when I do put like a bold lip on, then I'll go all out. But usually for the most part, I'm really natural, so this is also very moisturizing. And then I'm going to finish off by setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Say bye, guys!